Let's take a look at replacing the cam sensor on this Chrysler 2.4 liter multi-air engine. Now it's relatively straightforward, and it's actually right here on the front side of the engine, pretty easy to get at. So I've already removed the front engine cover to open things up here a little bit. I'm just going to take a ratchet and a 10mm socket and remove the nut that's holding the heat shield in place here. Now we've just got this little heat shield protecting the sensor, and then now I can access the lock. Sometimes that lock gets a little sticky, so I'm going to use a little 90-degree pick to help pop it up out of there, and then I can depress the connector and get it off. Now I'll take my 10mm socket and ratchet again and remove the stud that holds the cam sensor in place. Now I'm going to gently twist and pull to remove the sensor out of here. Now there's an O-ring in there. This car is relatively new, so there's not a whole lot of buildup behind it, but quite often those O-rings will get stuck in there and you don't want to snap the sensor off. So I'm going to take my finger in there, get a little bit of engine oil, lubricate the O-ring on the new one, and with that same twisting motion I'll apply a little bit of pressure, install my new sensor, get it lined up here, thread the stud in, tighten it down with my ratchet, install the electrical connector, and then make sure I get it locked down in place. Now I will install the heat shield and the nut. Once that's tightened down, the job is really complete. We might want to go in with a scan tool and clear out any trouble codes and verify our repair. Hopefully now you see what it takes to replace the cam sensor on a Chrysler 2.4 liter multi-air engine.